Produced by Hetman Software, Hetman Partition Recovery is a tool to recover deleted information from a wide range of devices. Hetman Partition Recovery recovers data wiped from the recycle bin and undeletes files that were erased directly. The tool will recover data from formatted and repetition disks, as well as inaccessible, damaged and corrupted drives. To begin the recovery, just click on a disk containing deleted information. You can pick a partition or select the entire physical drive to scan for missing files. In Quick Scan mode, you can recover information in just a few moments. However, the Comprehensive Full Analysis mode will perform a more thorough job, extracting absolutely everything that's even remotely recoverable. Make your choice of recovery method and click Next. After completing the analysis, the tool displays a folder tree matching the original directory structure of the disk. Deleted files and folders will be marked with a red X. You can select and preview deleted files before the recovery. To recover files, simply select them and click Recover. You can store files being recovered onto another hard drive, burn on a CD or DVD, create an ISO image or upload to a remote FTP server. Make sure not to store the files being recovered onto the disk you are fixing. Otherwise, you'll be facing the risk of overwriting existing data. To maintain the integrity of information being recovered, the tool will always access disks in read-only mode. When recovering corrupted disks, keeping the number of disk reads to absolute minimum is essential. For that reason, Hetman Partition Recovery can create a virtual image of the disk containing recoverable information. Recovering information from a virtual disk image is the safest way to go. The highly sophisticated recovery engine and many advanced algorithms are hidden under the hood. The easily accessible step-by-step user interface makes complex recovery jobs easily achievable by even complete computer novices. Don't risk your data. Download Hetman Partition Recovery from hetmanrecovery.com today. Familiarize yourself with its features and recover deleted files right away.